Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we had to service the, we have to replace the brake unit and we had to service the transmission. That is okay there, right over there. We relubricated everything, deep clean everything inside here, replace the gasket of the generator as well as clean the generator shower screen. We also serviced the door, clean everything around here, and we had to replace these spouts. As you can see, these ones were cracked, so it was definitely time to get them replaced, and we did that. Replace it with a brand new one right here. So right now we're going to be testing out this machine, starting with 1 shot of espresso. We're using the third setting on the grinder. We're using our test coffee. We're using about 2 ounces of liquid over here, and we're using the medium setting of the grinder itself. You can use the minimum or the maximum to grind. Right now he's doing pre-infusion, and now he's going to do the extraction. And as you can see, great extraction coming out of the machine. Really great flow out of the spouts, and good crema as well. Like I said, we're using a test coffee, so it probably will not be as fresh as possible because we keep it on this container. But even so, we still got a nice layer of crema coming out of the machine. Now we're testing the hot water of this machine. And as you can see, steady stream coming out of the one. Excellent temperature as well. Working great. Now we're going to use the steamer function of the machine. Once this machine gets up to temperature, we're going to see steam coming out through the one. You're going to see a little bit of water coming shooting through there first because we just use the hot water function. But as the thermoblock gets hot and the pressure gets increased into the steamer one, we're going to see much steam, as you see right here. Excellent steam coming out of the machine. Great pressure. Working excellent. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.